10 ways to get rid of dead skin on lips, DIY and AMP. Expert tips. Do your lips feel dry or look flaky no matter what lip balm you use? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore 10 proven ways to get smooth, soft lips using simple DIY remedies and expert tips. Stick around for the ultimate lip care secrets you'll love. Kiss mark. Lips are one of the most delicate parts of your face, and they can easily dry out without proper care. Ignored lips can lead to discomfort, chapped skin, and uneven lipstick application. Healthy, well-exfoliated lips make you look and feel confident. So let's give them the love they need. Before diving into the solutions, remember that hydration plays a huge role. If you're not drinking enough water, even the best remedies might not work. So keep sipping that water bottle throughout the day. It's step 0 to great lips. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of sugar to create a natural scrub. Gently massage the mixture onto your lips in circular motions for about a minute. The sugar removes dead skin, while honey locks in moisture. Rinse with warm water and enjoy instantly softer lips. Take a clean, soft bristled toothbrush and lightly rub it over damp lips. This removes flaky skin and boosts circulation, giving you a naturally rosy tint. Just make sure to apply a lip balm immediately after exfoliating to keep your lips hydrated and protected. Coconut oil isn't just for your hair or cooking, it's an amazing hydrator for lips. Dab a small amount on your lips before bed and wake up to softer, nourished lips. Its natural healing properties repair cracked skin while keeping your lips glossy and smooth. If scrubs or brushes feel too harsh, a damp washcloth is a gentle alternative. Dip it in warm water, squeeze out excess liquid, and massage your lips in soft circles. This method removes dead skin while being easy on sensitive lips. Follow up with a nourishing lip balm. Aloe vera isn't just a sunburn savior, it's also perfect for dry lips. Apply a thin layer of pure aloe vera gel directly onto your lips. Its soothing and hydrating properties will calm irritation and restore moisture. Use this remedy once daily for visible results. Sometimes, the simplest solution is the most overlooked. Dehydration can lead to dry, flaky lips. Make sure you're drinking 8 glasses of water a day, especially during winter or when you're spending time in air-conditioned spaces. Pair hydration with the other remedies for maximum impact. It's tempting to lick your lips when they feel dry, but this actually makes the problem worse. Saliva evaporates quickly, leaving your lips even drier. Instead, keep a hydrating lip balm in your purse or pocket to provide instant relief whenever you feel the urge to lick. Lip masks are like face masks, but for your pout. Look for masks with ingredients like shea butter or hyaluronic acid. Apply the mask, leave it on for the recommended time, and wipe off the excess. Think of this as a spa day for your lips, deeply hydrating and luxurious. Extreme weather, whether it's hot or cold, can wreak havoc on your lips. Always apply an SPF lip balm during sunny days to protect against UV rays. In winter, opt for balms with beeswax or lanolin to create a protective barrier against harsh winds. Many lipsticks, especially matte formulas, can dry out your lips. Swap them with hydrating alternatives that have nourishing ingredients like vitamin E or jojoba oil. When rocking matte lipstick, prep your lips with a balm or primer to keep them moisturized all day long. For long-term care, make it a routine to exfoliate and moisturize your lips regularly. Avoid using harsh products that can cause sensitivity. Incorporate these methods into your weekly self-care, and soon, smooth, hydrated lips will become your new normal. Now you have 10 effective methods to say goodbye to dead skin and achieve the soft, hydrated lips you deserve. Give these expert tips a try and find out what works best for you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more beauty tutorials, and share your favorite lip care hacks in the comments below. Kiss mark.